It's a little bit warmer of a day today here in Denver. I need to take advantage of this and get the shocks put on the F-250. It's just been a little bit too cold for me to do this stuff outside. The F-250 won't fit in the garage because the topper's too big. So, like I said, I'm gonna take advantage of it today. Got the WD-40 and I'm gonna start getting the bolts loosened, and so we'll start with that. I started to put some of the WD-40 on the bolts and noticed that the spare tire is in the way, so I'm gonna have to drop that first. For those that don't know how to do that, I'll show you real quick. You have to go to the front of the truck and pop the hood and take off these tools here, and it's just these three, and then we'll put it together and put it inside here, and then you can see there's a little plastic piece in there that it has to slide into, and then you'll just loosen it and it'll bring down the tire. So it looks like 18 millimeters will work. Let's see if we'll take it off first. Doubting it. Didn't think so. First one out. Let's go grab the new parts and I'll put you up a little bit closer for the second one. So I got some Bilsteins. That's what I have on the Tacoma as well, and I've loved them so far. The part number for the rear is right here. I'll also put this in the description. Grab a rubber mallet. All right. Come down. Hold me go. So what I ended up doing is use two 18s. Make sure they're all loose now. Alright. And then get my big wrench. It's on a brake line. I don't want to pinch that. There we go. Throw this on here, make it a little bit quicker. Hopefully she's loose enough. Goes. This one does not have anything on the back side, so I just gotta get it started. And then came right off. Just pull it out. Uses the threads to come out all the way. And now just pull it down. This was kind of the harder part, the first one. It's kind of stuck in there. There we go. It's a little leverage. Just trying to get it on there enough. I can get the bolt on, cinch it down. Let's see if I can get a thread in. Not quite yet. That good now. Alright, and last time I had a little bit of difficulty. So these don't line up with this little strap on. So what I'd like to do this time, hopefully I can get it to work, is as I cut it, also be pushing in with this so that as it passes by it, I can shove this in. Didn't work. have a helper, this would be pretty easy. There we go. That was a pain. Alright, we'll get these tightened up, and these backs will be done. Done with the backs. Get the wheel back up.